If you are going to use the brute force method to find the lowest cost round-trip route from Chicago to Indianapolis, Pittsburgh, Boston, Newark, and Nashville, how many possible unique routes are there? Well, there is a formula for the number of unique routes, and that formula is U, which is the number of unique routes, equals n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. And that n is the number of destinations. So all you need to know is the number of destinations. You can apply this formula and then figure out the number of unique routes. So how many destinations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be equal to 6 minus 1 factorial divided by 2, which is 5 factorial divided by 2. Now you can go ahead and enter this on your calculator if you would like, or you could calculate it by hand, because what this is, it is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, all divided by 2. See, so then these 2's simplify out. Your number of travel routes is 5 times 4 times 3 times 1, and the times 1 you don't need. So it's just 5 times 4 times 3. So 5 times 4 is 20, and then times 3, so 20 times 3 is 60. So that is the number of unique possible routes. So what does it look like on a calculator? Okay, so on a calculator, I press the 5, and some calculators show an exclamation point on one of the keys, or maybe above one of the keys. This calculator, I have to go to the Math menu. I have to go to Math, and then over to Probability, because factorials are usually used with permutations, combinations, and such, and that's probability. See option 4? That's an exclamation point for factorial. So that's 5 factorial, and then that equals 120, then divided by 2 is 60. And you could have done that all in one step. I wanted to do in 2 steps so you could see what 5 factorial is and then divide that by 2. So that method also shows 60. So there are 60 possible unique travel routes with 6 destinations.